Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting me. Today we'll discuss a question based on number theory. What is the largest positive integer n such that n cube plus 100 is divisible by n plus 10? That means if we use the Euclid's theorem, then n plus 10 is GCD of n cube plus 100 and n plus 10. Now let n cube plus 100 equals to n plus 10 multiply n square plus an plus b plus remainder c. Now if we multiply, then it will be n cube plus 10n square plus an square plus 10an plus bn plus 10b plus c. This equals to n cube plus 100, or this is n cube plus n square 10 plus a plus n 10a plus b and plus 10b plus c equals to n cube plus 100. Now equating the coefficients, get your n square term is not there on the right hand side. That means 10 plus a equals to 0. Second is there is no n term, that means 10 time of a plus b is 0, and 10b plus c equals to 100. Now from equation 1 I am getting a is equals to negative 10, and putting in equation 2 it will be minus 100 plus b equals to 0. This gives me b is equals to 100, and your 1000 plus c is 100. That means c equals to minus 900. Okay. Now I'm taking the Euclid's theorem. It says if c is your GCD of a and b, then I'm applying the algorithm, Euclid's algorithm for remainders. Then c is also GCD of a, and the remainder we get when a divides b. So here n plus 10 is GCD of n cube plus 100 and n plus 10, or this is same as your n plus 10 is GCD of n plus 10 and the remainder remainder is C, because we have taken in this way that this is multiple of n plus 10 plus this is the remainder. So it will be n plus 10 and the remainder is negative 900. Or this is same as n plus 10 is GCD of 900 and n plus 10. Now, what will be the largest value of n? The maximum value of n plus 10 must be your 900 to satisfy the above statement. So n equals to your 900 minus 10, that will be 890. So the maximum value of n for which nq plus 100 is divisible by n plus 10 is 890. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching and keep on learning.